Okay, first you're going to go to the course. And then go to Settings. From the menu on the far right, you're going to click Copy this course. Next, you're going to change the name if you would like. A tip is that some of us put an asterisk in front of the name to easily find it later. Then you're going to make sure all content is selected, and then you're going to check the box for Adjust Events and Due Dates. Be sure to click Remove Dates and Create Course. Here you're going to wait for the job to process. Once the job is processed, you're going to go to the newly created course by clicking on your dashboard, clicking on the course, then going to Settings. In Course Details, you're going to scroll down to Participation, and you need to change the drop-down that says Term to Course. Finally, you'll scroll down and click Update Course Details.